on Facebook. Wow. So I've been recording on Instagram, but it hasn't been recording on Facebook. Okay. Oops. So again, Sandhya Sound Alchemist coming at you today. Sorry I'm late. We're going to be using the Power of Surrender cards, and a card just dropped out, and the Teal ZenTube for the sound. So I am here late today. And I apologize for that. Sorry, I had to, so my necklace is now stuck in my shirt. Okay, so here we go. We're using the Power of Surrender card deck. And I was saying on Instagram, because apparently I forgot to turn on Facebook and go live, that we should release as much as we possibly can. We're still in the full moon phase. There's still a lot of energy that, we can release from. So, and here we go, is the Power of Surrender. What can we surrender to? So this card is saying surrender to your intuition, which is a really good thing to do, because if you go into your intuition, you're going to find that which you want to surrender right now. So here's what the card says. Tune into your inner voice. Be aware of any gut feelings, flashes, knowings, or aha moments that come through to guide you. So your intuition is going to guide you on what to release during the sound today. So go for it, guys and gals. Release, look into your energy and release what's coming up and out now for you to let go of. All right. And for anybody who comments, if you're here and you want to comment, I will pull a surrender card for you if you're interested. And that's for the first person on Facebook or Instagram, if you're willing to do that. So here we go, guys. We're going to go into the sound. If you are driving a car or operating heavy machinery, please listen to the sound later, because this will put you in a meditative state. If you have a pacemaker, please do not listen to the sound, because it will affect your pacemaker. If you are currently pregnant, and I would speak to your doctor about sound and whether that's good for you right now. And just know that you can always come back to the sound after you've given birth. So for those of you who are staying in for this, hi Rosie, I'll pull a card for you. For those of you who are going to stay in for the sound, please say yes to releasing with the sound. Say yes to receiving the sound in the first place, right? But say yes. Just say yes to the sound and for what it can do for you. For those of you who are not going to stay for the sound, you won't receive it in the way that it's meant to be received to help you. So you can feel free to come off the live as early as you like. So Rosie, I am connecting with you. And just reminders to everyone that this is a safe container. I built this container for you all to come in and feel safe. And I'm holding space for you so that all that you want to happen with this sound will indeed happen. All right. So, I don't know why my face feels so itchy. All right. Rosie, thinking of you. This card just pulled out. And it says, surrender your addictions. Okay. Surrender your addictions, right? So whether you're addicted to substances, food, people, sex, or overworking, take action to begin to heal the addiction and replace it with healthier alternatives. So Rosie, it could be anything that could be an addiction. I myself had an addiction to games. I would play online games like crazy. And eventually I learned to let it go. It took a while for it to go. But so it can be to anything. It's not like it says here, substances, food, people, sex, or overworking. It could be any number of things, not just those also. So feel in to your intuition, right? Feel into that and surrender whatever addiction is coming up for you. All right. And here we go into the sound. So I've already spoken about driving, operating heavy machinery, and all the rest of it. So you all have heard that. And for those of you who are staying for the sound, please vocalize your yes in your mind. Are you willing to receive the sound in order to release that which you want to release today? Say your yes out loud or in your mind, however you wish to. For those of you who don't wish to receive the sound, you can leave the daily life. Sorry to see you go. I send you blessings. All right. For those of us who are staying, let's relax. Take some deep breaths. As we're taking those deep breaths, let's connect into our bodies, into our hearts, right? Because we want to do all this work from the heart, connecting in with our own love and our light, our unconditional love for ourselves, opening up to that, bringing in and grounding into Mother Earth, and bringing in source energy as well and grounding in. Bringing in all the gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, the teams of elementals we work with, teams of our galactic teams, our starseed families, our sound team, vibration team, frequency team, light and energy teams, bringing them all in, our divine spirit councils, to just surround us and give them the opportunity to connect with us, sending us love, light, support, guidance, and their thriving energy to just help us use this frequency to jump up to the next level of ourselves. And here we go. Feel yourself relaxing, allowing your brain to relax, allowing the mind to relax, even bringing your ego down into your heart. And just feel yourself, feel these layers peeling off of you. Bringing in Saint Germain to send his violet flame through, transmuting any of the negative energy that's willing to come off, transmuting it, sending it back to source. Just feeling all these layers peeling off of you. We say thank you to Source. Thank you to Mother Earth. Thank you to our higher selves. Thank you for ego in our hearts. Thank you to all our teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, our teams of elementals, our teams of sound, energy, light, frequency, vibration, our divine spirit councils, all our galactic teams, and all our starseed families. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We integrate all of these beneficial upgrades and intentions into all levels of our awareness for the highest good of all, in safety, harmony, prosperity, and bliss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Bhagwan Ki, Amen. So be it. And so it is. And slowly start coming back into the body, wiggling your fingers and your toes. You can also tap your feet together, tap your fingers together. If you are lying down, you can please sit up and just slowly move your upper body for ease and comfort in your sitting position. Same with the legs, you can stretch them out, just getting comfortable coming back in, taking some deep breaths. Doing some shoulder rolls. And when you're ready, open your eyes. So one of the interesting things that I did find out today from Stephanie, who's the Reiki healer that I work with, is using Melaleuca to help and release. And you can put Melaleuca, which is tea tree oil, on your feet and along your spine to help release any cords, any hooks in the body. Energy hooks, energy cords, those kind of things. So I just saw, Sandra, that you put Jeanette into this live, and that's really good because I believe it was Jeanette who was having questions about cutting cords and things of that sort. Once you have cut the cords, you can also release cords by applying Melaleuca, and then on the back of your spine, or at the front of your body if you can't. But as you put it going down towards the heart, and then in upward motion from the lower back all the way up. So it's all moving into the heart so that it can release out, right? And then you can, on the solar plexus, put some clove oil. So you can put a little bit into, like a drop, into any body lotion, or you can use, I use doTERRA, so you can use their coconut oil that they have. I think it's fractured coconut oil that they use. And you can put it into a roller bottle, and then have it ready made. So then you can just apply it. But I wouldn't just take a drop and just put it on the body, because you might be sensitive to it. So always, so when you're applying along the spine as well, you can take the Melaleuca, put it into your body lotion. And then if you're moving from the neck down towards your heart, but then upwards along your back, put it going upwards towards your heart, just so that everything releases off the heart, right? Because love is the most powerful energy out there. And that is going to be very helpful in releasing. And then the clove is going to help with protection. So if you put it along your solar plexus and also on the heart, so like that triangle right here, you will be able to have even oil protection on you. So just wanted to add that little tidbit in, because I just found this out on Friday, and just passing along really good information. But just remember to put it in fractionated oil, the clove or the Melaleuca, whichever one you're doing. And, and you can also put it on the feet. All right. So that's another tool that you can use. So I just wanted you guys to know that I have pinned the post to all the new pricing that I have. That's available for 15-minute sound, 30-minute sound, and all the different card readings that I do. I am going to have another free Friday card reading session for an hour. That's the October event, and I believe it's in 2 weeks. So take a look at the events on my business page, Sunday Sound Healing Alchemist. Put spaces in between, because then you'll find it. Or you can put in @Sandia Sound into Facebook, and it'll pull up my page, and you'll be able to see the events there. All right, guys. So I'm wishing you a fantastic day. And I will say, all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places in time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. I'm sovereign in my energy. You are sovereign in yours. All right. Have a wonderful Saturday. Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow.